Architecture is extremely important. It shapes who we are and how we interact with others and how we live our day-to-day life. And I believe that so much that I've made it my purpose to create unique spaces for families so they can discover an extraordinary life at home. Think about your memories. Visualize some time in your past. You also visualize the architecture, the environment around you. It shapes the feeling of that memory. It shapes what that idea was and is to you now. Architecture is extremely important. And it's very exciting. I get really excited to talk about it. And on this channel, I'm going to go all into architecture and design. I'm going to talk about the tools I use, what architects do, the process that I go through to create architecture and create meaningful spaces, hand sketching, 3D modeling, virtual reality, all kinds of interesting things related to architecture and design. And I'm going to have weekly videos on here, producing a video each week that is dedicated to design and architecture. If you are seriously interested about architecture and design, I totally suggest that you subscribe. Let's go on this journey together and have fun exploring architecture and design.